Burger buns. Yes, that's what we are making today, dear friends. This I have made with gluten-free flour, but this can easily be replaced with regular maida and made at home. So this has turned out this is the best ever burger bun which I have made using gluten-free flour. The ingredients are listed out and they are very simple and available at home. I'll start by blooming the yeast from the sugar which we have taken. Add a pinch of sugar and warm water, keep it aside. It has bloomed well, you can see. Meanwhile, we will add all the dry ingredients together and start mixing water and vinegar little by little, and then we'll add the oil also. In the end, this is how the final dough will be. It will not be a dough, it will be a very cake batter like of consistency. I did not have ring molds for making this, so I have taken our plain katoris and equally divided the dough in it and let it rise for 30 minutes in a warm place. After 30 minutes, you can see they have risen very well. This itself is an indication that because many gluten-free flours do not rise well, and that's why the burgers don't turn out very fluffy and soft, but here they have turned out. So I'll just brush the tops with oil or butter very lightly and then spread sesame seeds and bake them at 170 to 75 degrees for 30 minutes, and then just brush butter on top of each bun and bake it once again with the top rod on for 2 minutes. Now this, you can see how fluffy and how soft it has turned out and so malleable it is. So that's why this is my best ever burger bun. I have made burger bun and I've shared the video also, but this is the best one ever till now. So the aeration is also very uniformly spread. So this is a very tasty and very easy recipe. Please do try out with normal maida as well. It will turn out very well. So thank you so much, and please do share and subscribe to Gluten Free India for more recipes. Thank you.